This video is to show you how to get to your class notebook in Teams. The first thing you're going to want to do is get to the team. And when we're talking about a team, we're talking about your class. And so you're going to find the class that you're in. So in my case, it's U.S. History Period 2. And you're going to go to the channel called General. When we get to the General channel, you're going to see Posts, Files, and Class Notebook. To get to my Class Notebook, I want to click on Class Notebook. When it comes up, I can't always see this arrow, but when I move over to the left corner, I can. I want to click on that arrow, and I can see Welcome, Collaboration Space, Content Library, and then My Name. I want to click on My Name. When my teacher tells me that I need to go to Class Notes, I'm going to click on Class Notes. And then I am on Learning Target 1, Success Criteria 2. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click over into my notes. And it makes it bigger so that I can click into them. When I want to answer a question, I'm going to click my mouse after the question, and I might even push enter, and I will type my answer here. When I am all done answering all of my questions, I can just go to my next class. It will automatically save everything that I've done in my notebook. So I can go to a different success criteria and click over into it. And I know that I answered it because it already has my typing here and my typing here. I can go back and I can revise my answers or change my thinking.